In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to a Confluence page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a shared calendar right where your team works. So release dates, vacations, and milestones are always visible in context. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the calendar to live. Like it could be an overview page, a project hub, or any spot your team visits frequently. Make sure you have permission to edit the page in that space. If you can normally update content there, you're good to go. Click Edit to open the page editor. You'll see the familiar toolbar and the page content ready for changes. Place your cursor where you want the calendar to appear, above a section, between paragraphs, or at the bottom of the page, so it slots in neatly without disrupting the layout. Now type /calendar directly in the editor. The / command opens Confluence's quick insert menu and filters matching macros as you type. Look for the option labeled Calendar or Team Calendar. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your Confluence setup, but it will clearly reference calendars. Select that option to continue. Confluence will prompt you to either pick an existing calendar or create a new one. If your team already uses shared calendars, search by name and select the one you want. This is ideal when you need to surface a calendar that's already maintained elsewhere. If you're starting fresh, choose to create a new calendar. Give it a clear, descriptive name your teammates will recognize and proceed. A concise name helps people quickly identify what they're looking at when they open the page. Before finalizing, adjust the calendar settings if needed. You can choose the default view, month, week, or list, so the first impression matches how your team consumes information. Confirm the correct time zone, pick which event types or sources to show, and set colors or display options to make the calendar easy to scan. Depending on your permissions, you may also see sharing or access controls. Align these with your space norms so the right people can view or add events. If you don't see certain options, they may be restricted by your admin or by calendar ownership. When everything looks good in preview, publish the page to display the calendar. After publishing, the calendar appears fully interactive right on the page, so teammates can browse dates without leaving your documentation. That's it. Open the page, edit, insert with calendar, choose or create the calendar, fine-tune settings, and publish to share it with your team.